This is like my favorite. Like I like to play Mario Kart.
Ty, come stand up by the easel so you can see it and tell us about it. Read it to yourself and then look at us, or look at the picture and then look at us and tell us what's happening in that picture. Okay, Ty, start up in the corner. Look at that green and yellow. What's that? Tell us about that.
The roller coaster in Planet Snoopy I ride a long time ago in Kansas City.
Okay. Don't cover the picture up. Let us see it. Okay, what's underneath it?
Same ride.
Okay, then what's underneath that?
I love lemonade.
Oh, you love lemonade. Okay. And then you told us about Mario Kart. You love to play that, don't you? Okay, now go up to the top and tell us about that picture. Who's in it and what you're doing.
This is my baby named Mackenzie. My sister named Caitlin.
And where are you guys and what are you doing?
At the playground.
Okay.
Turn the espresso for my baby wants to climb up this rope.
Okay, what's the picture under it?
Just where my new house is going to get built.
Oh, neat. Okay, and what's underneath that?
I like steak from Texas Roadhouse.
And what do you like to drink?
Root beer.
Steak and root beer.
I have connection. I like those things too.